Imagine you're cruising down the highway when suddenly your car grinds to a halt. In the midst of panic, wouldn't it be nice to have an emergency kit at hand? Here are 5 items to pack in your car emergency kit. First, a flashlight. When night falls, a reliable light source is a must. Second, jumper cables. Dead batteries happen to the best of us. With these, you're back on the road in no time. Third, a first aid kit. From minor cuts to major injuries, it's always wise to be prepared. Fourth, a multi-tool. This handy gadget can solve a myriad of mechanical mishaps. Lastly, a blanket. Whether you're stranded in the cold or just need a makeshift picnic blanket, it's a versatile lifesaver. Remember, safety first. With these 5 items, you're ready for any roadside breakdown.